will teach you how to use Microsoft Excel. 10 basic math formulas, man.
For the first one, to add up the total, here's the formula. Ting! Simulan natin. Equals, then sum. Dapat caps lock yan. Open and close parentheses. Inside the parentheses, lagay natin yung column. Column B tayo, then row 2. Row 2. Then semicolon. Sa pinakalas na column na tayo, which is column B, row 8. Then the B8, that's it. Then click enter. Then it's the total. 28. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 equals 28. For the shortcut method, delete natin yan. Kailangan na lang natin shift. Punta tayo sa first number, then shift. Then punta tayo sa last number, then add 1 cell para paglagyan ng total natin. Then click Alt and equals together. Alt equals together. Then that's it. Very fast. To add individual items. Dito parang individual lang, isa-isa lang. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, hindi lahat. Gaya ng kanina. So, the formula is equal value 1 plus value 2. Napaka-basic lang to. Easy math. Equal sign. Then, value 1. Lagay natin ng B2. Tapos, row 2. So, lagay natin B2. And plus B5. B5. Then, click enter. That is the sum of B2 plus B5. Para mas bilis naman, equal sign, then control. For the first number, click natin tong B3. Then, control, then piliin mo lang yung number na gusto mo. Then, plus sign. Tapos, control ulit for the second number. Then, B3 plus B6 equals 7. Yun lang. Next naman tayo for the subtraction. Subtract. Kailangan natin mag-subtract. Basic lang to, parang kanina rin. So, delete natin yan. The formula is equals value 1 minus value 2. So, try natin. Try natin pag minus tong B4, and B7. So, equals, then B4 minus B7. Click enter, negative 3. Para sa mabilisan naman, para hindi na kayo maglagay-lagay ng mga cell range, ganito na lang. Equals, then control, B4 minus, control ulit, B7, then click enter. Negative 3. Multiplication naman tayo. Wait. Multiplication. Tama ba? Multiplication. Mukhang dito ay product. Tama ba? Product is multiplication. Ito. Mag-multiply. So, try natin pag-multiply itong B3 and B6. Then, yung formula natin equals value 1 times values 2. So, equal sign. Then, value 1 natin is B3. Then, multiply B6. Ay, B5. B6. Click enter. Then, it's 10. Ganun lang. Tayo sila division. Divide. Division. Ang kwan nito ay quotient. So, try natin tong 3 divided by 5. So, equals, then B4 divide B6. Again, click enter. That is 0.6. So, let's go with exponents. Here's the formula. Equals, then value 1, tapos yung kapag sinif mo yung number 6, then value 2. So, try natin. Equals, value 1, lagay tayo, B4, then, yan yung symbol na gagamitin para sa exponents. So then value 2, 5. Then click the enter. It's the 243. B4 and B6, the exponent is 243. That's it. So dito na tayo sa average, meaning average plus natin lahat nito. Tapos divided by ilan terms yan, divide by 7. So ito yung formula kapag type natin equals, then average, open close parenthesis, tapos lagay natin sa loob yung cell range is B2, then semicolon to B8, then click enter. It's 4. Para sa mabilisan, click natin silang lahat, then punta tayo sa upper right corner, dito sa AutoSum, drop down lang natin dyan, average, then that's it. Average, you got it, man. Sa median naman tayo, kunin natin yung median ng numbers na ito. There are 7 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang median nito dapat ay 4. So solve natin. The formula is equal sign, then median na puro malalaki, then open close parenthesis, then lagay natin yung cell range B2 and semicolon to B8, then click enter. So the median nga is 4. So dito naman tayo sa max and min. Max means pinakamataas na number, then min at pinakamababang number. So dito tayo sa max, lagay natin 1, 2, then select mo silang dalawa para dire-diretso na yung number. Hanggang 9, then 8 hanggang row 9. So sa kabila 1, 2, then select natin silang dalawa, baba natin hanggang 8 mo. Sa max, pipiliin niya yung pinakamataas. So pinakamabilis na, select natin silang lahat, then sa upper right corner, sa AutoSum, drop down natin the max. So that's 8, pinakamataas 8. Sa mean, so alam naman natin mean, nakababa is 1, so select natin sila lahat, then dito ulit sa AutoSum, drop down natin, then mean. So mean is 1. So lang kadali ang max and min. Thank you so much for watching. That's the 10 basic math formula for you to excel in Excel.